Struggling with frequent bathroom trips, weak urine flow, or sleepless nights caused by an enlarged prostate? You're not alone, and the solution might be simpler than you think. Forget expensive meds with side effects. Nature has provided powerful herbs that can actually shrink your prostate and give you back control. In this video, discover the top natural herbs backed by science that support prostate health, reduce inflammation, and help you feel like yourself again. Stick around, because the last herb on this list might surprise you, and it could be the game changer you've been looking for. First, we have lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant found mainly in tomatoes and other red fruits like watermelon, pink grapefruit, and papaya. This bright red pigment has caught the attention of researchers for its potential to support prostate health and possibly reduce the size of an enlarged prostate. But what makes lycopene so special? It all comes down to its strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. When the prostate becomes enlarged, a condition known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, it can lead to uncomfortable symptoms like frequent urination, weak urine flow, and even incomplete bladder emptying. One major factor contributing to prostate enlargement is oxidative stress, which damages cells and leads to chronic inflammation. Lycopene combats this by neutralizing harmful free radicals that trigger this cellular damage. Several studies suggest that lycopene doesn't just protect the prostate, it may also help shrink it. This is because lycopene can reduce the production of a hormone called DHT, or dihydrotestosterone. DHT is known to contribute to the growth of prostate cells. By lowering DHT levels, lycopene may directly impact the size of the prostate gland and improve urinary symptoms. Lycopene also plays a role in regulating cell growth. It helps slow down the proliferation of abnormal prostate cells while promoting the natural death of cells that are no longer functioning correctly. This balance is critical in preventing both prostate enlargement and possibly even prostate cancer, though more research is needed on its role in cancer prevention. Another important action of lycopene is its ability to improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation within prostate tissues. Inflammation is often present in men with BPH, and it contributes to the discomfort and swelling of the prostate gland. By reducing inflammation, lycopene helps ease pressure on the urethra, allowing for a more normal urinary flow. What's particularly interesting is that cooked tomato products, like tomato sauce, tomato paste, and even ketchup, contain more bioavailable lycopene than raw tomatoes. The cooking process breaks down the tomato cell walls, making it easier for the body to absorb lycopene. Combining these with healthy fats, such as olive oil, further boosts absorption. A clinical study showed that men with BPH who took lycopene supplements experienced less urinary frequency and better urine flow after several weeks. These improvements were linked to reduced prostate volume, showing that lycopene's impact isn't just theoretical, it can be measured. Lycopene also has a calming effect on immune responses in the prostate. It prevents the overreaction of the immune system, which is a key contributor to chronic inflammation and tissue damage. This soothing effect allows the prostate to recover more efficiently and function more normally. Some researchers believe that lycopene's benefits may even extend to preventing the need for surgery or medications in early-stage prostate enlargement. While it may not replace medical treatment in severe cases, lycopene could serve as a natural and preventative approach to long-term prostate health. Adding more lycopene to your diet is simple and safe. Including a daily serving of tomato-based dishes, such as pasta with marinara sauce or a bowl of tomato soup, can give your prostate a healthy boost. For those who prefer supplements, lycopene is available in capsule form, but it's always best to consult a healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen. It's worth noting that lycopene works best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet rich in vegetables and fruits, and stress management all enhance lycopene's effectiveness and support prostate wellness. Next, we have pygeum. Pygeum, an herbal extract derived from the bark of the African plum tree, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Today, it's gaining scientific recognition for its remarkable ability to support prostate health, especially in men dealing with benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. This condition, which causes the prostate gland to enlarge, can lead to uncomfortable symptoms such as frequent urination, nighttime bathroom trips, and a weak urine stream. What makes pygeum effective is its unique blend of phytosterols, such as beta-sitosterol, along with other natural compounds that reduce inflammation and support hormonal balance. One of the key actions of pygeum is its ability to inhibit the production of DHT, or dihydrotestosterone. DHT is a hormone that contributes to the growth of prostate tissue. By blocking the enzyme that converts testosterone into DHT, pygeum can help slow down or even reverse prostate enlargement. Another important property of pygeum is its anti-inflammatory effect. An inflamed prostate can press against the urethra, causing difficulty in urination and discomfort. Pygeum reduces the inflammation in the prostate tissue, easing pressure and improving urinary flow. This makes it easier for men to empty their bladder completely and reduce the need to urinate frequently, especially at night. Pygeum also has antioxidant properties that protect prostate cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Free radicals, which are unstable molecules produced in the body, can harm healthy cells and lead to chronic inflammation. By neutralizing these free radicals, pygeum helps preserve the integrity and function of the prostate gland. One of the overlooked benefits of pygeum is its ability to improve the quality of prostatic secretions. These secretions play a role in semen composition and overall reproductive health. By enhancing the health of the prostate gland, pygeum may indirectly support male fertility and sexual performance, which can often be affected by BPH. Clinical studies have shown that men who use pygeum extract experience significant improvements in symptoms of BPH. These include reduced urinary urgency, fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom, stronger urine flow, and a better overall quality of life. The effects are often noticeable within a few weeks of regular use. Pygeum also improves bladder elasticity and reduces residual urine left in the bladder after urination. This not only decreases the risk of urinary tract infections, but also helps prevent bladder damage over time. As the prostate shrinks and pressure on the urethra decreases, urination becomes more controlled and comfortable. Interestingly, pygeum doesn't just target symptoms. It addresses the root cause of prostate enlargement by influencing hormone levels and reducing inflammation at the glandular level. This dual action makes it more than just a temporary solution. It supports lasting prostate health. Another advantage of pygeum is that it's well tolerated by most people and has very few side effects when taken in recommended doses. This makes it an appealing option for men looking for natural alternatives to pharmaceuticals, which can sometimes cause sexual dysfunction or other unwanted side effects. For best results, pygeum should be taken consistently, either as a standalone supplement or combined with other prostate-friendly herbs like saw palmetto or nettle root. These combinations are often found in natural prostate health formulas that target multiple causes of BPH at once. Adding pygeum to your health routine can be as simple as taking a daily capsule. It's important to choose a high-quality extract standardized to contain active ingredients like beta-sitosterol. Consulting a healthcare provider before starting any supplement is always a good idea, especially if you are on medications or have other health conditions. Next we have saw palmetto. Saw palmetto is a small palm native to the southeastern United States, and its berries have long been used in traditional medicine to support men's health. In recent years, it has become one of the most studied natural remedies for benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, a condition that causes the prostate gland to enlarge and leads to uncomfortable urinary symptoms. What makes saw palmetto especially interesting is its natural ability to influence hormone levels that are directly involved in prostate growth, offering a potential solution without the side effects often associated with prescription medications. One of the most powerful actions of saw palmetto lies in its ability to block the enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. This enzyme is responsible for converting testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, or DHT, a hormone known to stimulate prostate growth. High levels of DHT have been closely linked to the enlargement of the prostate gland. By inhibiting this conversion, saw palmetto helps to naturally reduce DHT levels in the body, which can prevent further growth of the prostate and may even help to shrink it over time. This mechanism is similar to how some prescription drugs work, but with fewer reported side effects. In addition to its hormone balancing effects, saw palmetto also possesses strong anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a significant contributor to the discomfort and swelling associated with an enlarged prostate. Inflammation causes the prostate to press against the urethra, leading to symptoms like frequent urination, urgency, and weak urine flow. Saw palmetto helps to calm this inflammation, which in turn reduces pressure on the urinary tract and promotes a more normal, comfortable urination process. Saw palmetto is also rich in fatty acids and plant sterols, such as beta-sitosterol, which have been shown to improve urinary function and reduce symptoms of BPH. These compounds work by strengthening the health of prostate cells and supporting overall gland function. They help regulate cell growth and repair processes within the prostate, ensuring that abnormal growth is minimized and healthy tissue is maintained. This cellular support is essential for long-term prostate health and may even help to protect against more serious conditions in the future. Several clinical studies have found that men taking saw palmetto experience significant improvements in urinary symptoms compared to those taking a placebo. These improvements include fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom, stronger and more consistent urine flow, and a decreased feeling of incomplete bladder emptying. Some men even report a noticeable reduction in the size of their prostate after several weeks or months of consistent use, making saw palmetto a promising natural solution for those suffering from BPH. Another benefit of saw palmetto is its effect on bladder function. An enlarged prostate can reduce bladder control and lead to residual urine left behind after urination, which increases the risk of urinary tract infections. By helping to shrink the prostate and improve urine flow, saw palmetto allows the bladder to empty more completely, lowering the chance of infection and improving overall urinary health. This added bladder support is especially valuable for older men, who are more prone to these complications. Unlike many synthetic treatments, saw palmetto has a low risk of causing sexual side effects. Some pharmaceutical options for BPH can interfere with libido or cause erectile dysfunction due to their impact on hormone levels. In contrast, saw palmetto works more gently with the body's natural processes and is often better tolerated. This makes it an appealing option for men who are looking for symptom relief without compromising their quality of life or sexual health. In addition to its direct effects on the prostate and urinary system, saw palmetto also supports hormonal balance throughout the body. Balanced hormones play a critical role in maintaining energy levels, mood, and overall vitality, especially in aging men. By regulating DHT without completely shutting down testosterone production, saw palmetto helps support this delicate balance, contributing to a healthier and more resilient body overall. Consistency is key when it comes to seeing results from saw palmetto. While some men may notice improvements in just a few weeks, others may need several months of daily use to experience the full benefits. Taking it as a standardized extract ensures that you're getting an effective dose of its active compounds, particularly fatty acids and sterols. It can be taken on its own or as part of a comprehensive prostate health formula that includes other beneficial herbs like pygeum and nettle root. Next, we have stinging nettle. Stinging nettle, a plant often considered a pesky weed, holds powerful healing properties, especially when it comes to prostate health. For men dealing with benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, stinging nettle root has become a respected herbal ally. This natural remedy has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science is now confirming its role in reducing prostate size and easing urinary symptoms. What makes stinging nettle particularly effective is its multi-targeted action. It doesn't just soothe symptoms, it actually addresses some of the root causes of prostate enlargement. One of the main reasons stinging nettle helps shrink the prostate is its ability to interfere with the activity of certain hormones, especially dihydrotestosterone, or DHT. DHT is a powerful derivative of testosterone that plays a major role in prostate growth. When too much DHT builds up in the body, it can cause the prostate gland to enlarge, leading to urinary issues like frequent urination, weak stream, and nighttime urgency. Stinging nettle contains compounds that can block the binding of DHT to its receptors in the prostate tissue. This helps reduce the hormonal stimulation that causes the gland to grow larger over time. Stinging nettle is also rich in plant sterols such as beta-sitosterol, which are known to support prostate health. Beta-sitosterol has been shown in several clinical studies to improve urinary flow, reduce residual urine volume, and ease the overall discomfort associated with BPH. These plant compounds help by improving cell signaling in the prostate and reducing inflammation, which together support a reduction in size and improved function of the gland. The result is more complete bladder emptying and less frequent urges to urinate. Another reason stinging nettle is so effective is its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation in the prostate contributes to tissue swelling, discomfort, and pressure on the urethra. This pressure causes many of the common symptoms men face with BPH. Stinging nettle contains bioactive compounds like lignans and flavonoids that reduce inflammatory markers and calm the immune response within the prostate. This helps relieve swelling and promotes healing in the surrounding tissues, giving men relief from persistent urinary issues. In addition to its hormonal and anti-inflammatory effects, stinging nettle also supports urinary tract health. It acts as a mild diuretic, helping the body flush out excess fluids and toxins. This supports better bladder function and can reduce the feeling of urgency and incomplete urination. By keeping the urinary system clean and functioning smoothly, stinging nettle reduces the risk of complications like urinary tract infections, which are common in men with an enlarged prostate. Stinging nettle root also contains antioxidants that protect prostate cells from oxidative stress. Free radicals, which are unstable molecules produced by the body, can damage prostate tissue and trigger abnormal growth. The antioxidants in nettle neutralize these harmful compounds, helping to maintain the structural integrity and proper function of the prostate. This cell protective effect is essential for long-term prostate health, especially as men age and the risk of oxidative damage increases. One unique benefit of stinging nettle is its ability to work synergistically with other herbs. When combined with saw palmetto or pygeum, for example, its prostate shrinking effects become even more powerful. These herbal blends are often found in natural prostate health formulas that are designed to target multiple causes of BPH at once. Together, these herbs enhance hormone balance, reduce inflammation, and support healthy urinary flow more effectively than any one herb alone. Clinical studies have shown that stinging nettle can significantly reduce the symptoms of BPH in just a few weeks of consistent use. Men taking nettle root extract often report fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom, stronger urine flow, and a greater sense of comfort during urination. These improvements are not just short-term. When used regularly, stinging nettle helps maintain a healthier prostate and can prevent further enlargement over time. Unlike many pharmaceutical treatments, stinging nettle does not typically cause sexual side effects such as decreased libido or erectile dysfunction. In fact, by supporting hormonal balance and reducing inflammation, it may even contribute to improved overall vitality. This makes it an appealing option for men who want natural relief from prostate problems without compromising their quality of life. Last, we have turmeric. Turmeric, a golden spice long celebrated in traditional medicine, is gaining modern recognition for its powerful effects on prostate health. At the heart of turmeric's healing power is curcumin, its primary active compound. Curcumin has been widely studied for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties, traits that make it highly beneficial for men suffering from an enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Chronic inflammation is one of the main drivers of prostate enlargement, and turmeric's ability to calm this inflammation is one reason it's so effective. The prostate is highly sensitive to inflammation, and as men age, inflammation can build up slowly, leading to tissue swelling and pressure on the urinary tract. This pressure causes symptoms like frequent urination, weak stream, and nighttime urgency. Curcumin directly targets inflammatory pathways in the body, blocking molecules like NF-κB and COX-2, which are responsible for triggering and maintaining inflammation. By turning off these signals, turmeric helps reduce the size and swelling of the prostate over time, improving urinary flow and reducing discomfort. Another way turmeric supports prostate health is by acting as a powerful antioxidant. Oxidative stress, an imbalance between free radicals and the body's defense system, can damage prostate cells, leading to abnormal growth and enlargement. Curcumin neutralizes these harmful free radicals and protects the prostate tissue from cellular damage. This protective effect helps preserve the gland's normal function and structure, keeping it from becoming overgrown or dysfunctional as a result of cellular stress. Turmeric has also been shown to influence hormone levels, particularly by interfering with the action of androgens like dihydrotestosterone, DHT. DHT is a hormone that contributes to prostate growth by stimulating the proliferation of prostate cells. Some studies suggest that curcumin can reduce the activity of enzymes like 5-alpha reductase, which converts testosterone into DHT. By lowering DHT levels or its effect on the prostate, turmeric can help slow down or even reverse the growth of an enlarged prostate. Beyond shrinking the prostate, turmeric can also help reduce the risk of prostate-related complications. Chronic inflammation in the prostate not only leads to BPH, but also increases the risk of prostatitis and even prostate cancer. Curcumin's anti-cancer potential has been studied extensively. It inhibits cancer cell growth, blocks tumor-forming pathways, and even promotes the death of damaged cells. While more research is needed in this area, these properties make turmeric a promising protective agent against more serious prostate diseases. Turmeric's ability to improve circulation and detoxify the body also plays a role in supporting prostate health. Good blood flow ensures that nutrients and oxygen reach the prostate while carrying away waste and toxins. Curcumin has been shown to enhance endothelial function, the ability of blood vessels to dilate and contract, which helps maintain a healthy blood supply to the prostate. This improves healing, reduces congestion, and helps the gland function more efficiently. Men who suffer from BPH often deal with bladder dysfunction due to the pressure the enlarged prostate puts on the urethra. This can lead to incomplete bladder emptying and increase the risk of urinary tract infections. Turmeric's antimicrobial properties may help reduce this risk by supporting the immune system and protecting the urinary tract from bacterial overgrowth. In addition, its ability to reduce swelling can ease the pressure on the bladder and urethra, improving urination and lowering infection risk. Taking turmeric consistently can also lead to long-term improvement in overall hormonal balance. Curcumin supports liver health, which plays a key role in metabolizing hormones and toxins. A healthier liver means more efficient hormone processing and fewer hormonal imbalances that could contribute to prostate enlargement. By supporting detoxification and hormonal stability, turmeric offers a full-body approach to managing and reducing BPH symptoms. Unlike pharmaceutical drugs used for BPH, turmeric has very few side effects when taken properly. It does not typically cause sexual side effects like decreased libido or erectile dysfunction, making it a safer and more natural option for long-term prostate support. In fact, some studies suggest turmeric may support sexual health by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation throughout the reproductive system. This means it not only helps the prostate, but may also enhance overall male vitality. The best way to experience turmeric's prostate benefits is to use a high-quality supplement that contains standardized curcumin extract. Curcumin by itself is not easily absorbed by the body, so it's important to take it with black pepper extract, piperine, which increases its absorption by up to 2,000%. Turmeric can also be added to meals or taken as tea, but supplements tend to provide a more consistent and therapeutic dose for those dealing with prostate issues.